Today we're going to be doing some breakfast tacos with some smoked brisket that we have left over from last cook. We got some chorizos that we're going to be adding. We're going to add eggs. We got some mozzarella. And then for our salsa that we're going to be using is I'm going to use this hot sauce, kill a hog. So I've been doing some burritos during the week and I've been using some of this to add to my eggs, and I love it a lot. So I figured this is what we're going to do today. Tacos. Breakfast tacos with brisket. Let's fire up our Blackstone. All right, let's go ahead and add our meat in here. I already put some oil down. Let's add our briskets, our leftover brisket. And then we're going to go ahead and combine it with our chorizo, so it's about half. And you want to mix it all in there. And this smells good. Let's go ahead and our tortillas over here. Now the chorizo doesn't take very long. The chorizo's quick. That's why I added right when I added the meat. Go ahead and add our egg. And let's mix it up. Flip our tortillas. We're going to add some cheese. Nice and cheesy. Go ahead and add it on our taco. Alright, let's go try this. Alright guys, here you have it. Brisket breakfast tacos. We have chorizo, the eggs, mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to add some of this juicy goodness of our killer hog hot sauce. I'm going to do this one first. I'm just going to add a nice amount because I like it. Remember guys, link in the description if you guys want to try anything from Killer Hogs. The link for the webpage is there for you guys to try it. This looks so good. Get out of here. Holy moly. Oh, man. That's it, man. Wow. So you guys saw that I made a big brisket. And that's the beauty of having leftovers. Anything you guys smoke on a Traeger or barbecue, if you have leftovers, you got a Blackstone or any kind of griddle, you can make a lot of great things with leftover food. This, oh, amazing. And that hot sauce, man, I've been enjoying it. Really good hot sauce. I got 2 other ones they sent. I'm gonna try. I tried one of them on a burrito, which I'll make another cook with that one because that was also good. About to finish the whole taco, but hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, hit that like. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.